Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today, I wanted to share with you a treasured Ayurvedic oil recipe from a village that leaves the skin feeling incredibly smooth and glowing. This is a simple traditional preparation that infuses powerful herbs into a nourishing oil, creating a fragrant oil for your entire body. The first is Amla, or Indian gooseberry, which is one of the richest sources of vitamin C. This potent antioxidant helps to boost collagen production, keeping the skin firm and youthful, while also brightening the complexion. Next is Haritaki, a detoxifying fruit with strong antibacterial and anti inflammatory properties that help treat skin issues and tone the skin. The final fruit is Bibhitaki, which is known for its purifying and antimicrobial qualities that help treat skin issues and tone the skin. Along with Triphala, we are adding three more wonderful herbs to this oil. Licorice root or muleti is famous for its ability to lighten scars and fade hyperpigmentation, giving the skin an even toned appearance. Vetiver root is a natural coolant that deeply hydrates the skin, reduces inflammation, and imparts a beautiful, calming, earthy fragrance to the oil. Finally, we have white turmeric, which has powerful antiseptic and antioxidant properties. To make the oil, first take a small bunch of vetiver root and place it inside a clean dry glass bottle. Add in 2 teaspoons of white turmeric roots. Next, take 1 bibhitaki, 1 haritaki, and 1 piece of licorice root in a mortar and pestle. Pound them just enough to break them into smaller pieces. Discard any seeds and add the pounded herbs to the bottle. Now add 1 tablespoon of dried amla. Finally, fill the bottle with any unrefined oil that suits your skin type, like sesame oil, olive, or almond oil. Cover the mouth of the bottle with a thin cloth and let it sun dry for 2 to 3 days. After 2 or 3 days, your beautiful Ayurvedic oil is ready to use. I like to keep the herbs infused in the oil as they continue to release their beneficial properties over time. This oil will last well for a few months, but it is very important that you use only dried amla, as fresh amla will cause the oil to turn rancid quickly. To use, take a few drops of this fragrant oil and massage it all over your body after a bath. This will not only treat and prevent skin infections, but will also leave your skin feeling wonderfully smooth, supple, and radiant with a beautiful natural scent.